Hey guys, Colorado Dodge here, coming at you with a quick unboxing and hookup. Schumacher battery maintainer. Have a lot of these, highly recommend them. Pretty simple, straightforward. Here we go. Pretty simple, not a lot to it. Here's what comes in the box. Don't mind my finger, smashed it a little while back. Among other things. I'm going to hook up your positive first. Nice and secure. Negative second. Hook up some power. On the older red model, it selected its own battery. This one, you need to choose what type you have. We've got an Optima red top in this car. That's an AGM, which is a lead acid battery. We've selected that on our charger. We should be off to the races. There we go, it's charging. We're showing 50%. We're going to let that run overnight, see what we have in the morning. Real quick, I'd like to just mention, you saw the plug I hooked up at the beginning of the video. You can go ahead and connect this to your battery, leave it on there, eliminate your clamps, then you could just plug it right in. We're already at 85%. Again, I love these chargers. Great thing to get. Thanks for watching.